Hello, in today's video I would like to share the deluxe wooden diamond toolkit with you. Let's see what's inside. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools in this kit. One piece for Prong Gem Holder. One piece diamond ring holder. One piece diamond loupe. One piece diamond scoop, and one piece diamond tweezers, one piece hearts and irons scope. It's great for transporting all your tools anywhere you go. Excellent for out of the shop service and give you a very professional image. We also supply all different kinds of generous toolkit. If you want to learn more, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.